What's going on, guys? Christian here with Land Pickers. Today's an exciting day. We're actually going to do something that we've done in the past, but we haven't had time to do currently. We're actually going to go thrift. We're going to go look for some books, some media, and some things I recommend. This is what I bring to go scan. Obviously, headphones. I don't want people talking to me, to be honest with you guys. And also, my handy dandy yo-yo. Look at this. Bought these for I think 50 bucks. They might be a little cheaper now. And obviously a phone and something to charge it with. So we're hoping we can find something good. We're actually going to be looking for books, CDs, DVDs, like I told you guys. But we're also going to be looking for clothes. If you guys know, we used to do eBay a lot. That was our primary source of income a few years back. Now we switched to Amazon. But we'll take you on the trip and we'll see what we find. So we're in our first thrift store. It's the Rescue Mission thrift store. We haven't had the best of luck here. Parking really sucks. There's really no parking, so you have to park in the street. And usually this is in North Park, so there's usually no parking here in San Diego North Park. Done with this thrift store. It did go better than what we thought. We got 4 DVDs, 3 CDs, and 3 shirts. One of them being Robert Graham, 1 North Face, and 1 Eton. So we did get some for eBay, some for Amazon. At the end of the trip, we're probably gonna hit a few more thrift stores, but at the end of the trip, we're gonna be saving the receipts, how much we paid for, and we're gonna show you what we got. So, second thrift store, Goodwill, also in North Park. This one has treated us very, very well, not compared to the other one. Hopefully we do find, we're like I told you guys, we're looking for CDs, DVDs, some books. Right now, CDs and DVDs are treating us better, but it is our second thrift store, so let's get in there and see what we find. Are done with that thrift store. It did take us a little while. Actually stopped because one lady's, even though I had the headphones on, she stopped me. She said, hey, what app do you guys use? We use Scoutly, formerly known as FBA Scan. And so she asked me what we used, what we did with the books. She was telling me that she actually worked for a thrift store, and that she scans books, CDs, DVDs, and only sells them to Declutter, Sell Back Your Book, and other websites that buy books from you. Well, I gave her my phone number. She gave me her phone number. We're going to keep in contact, and hopefully she can give me, instead of giving them the books directly and earning only $50 to $1, she can give them to me. I can give her a little bit more money, and we made a connection. So that was a good thing. She stopped me. Great. So we left the Goodwill. As you guys can see, it is right there. We just left. We got around 10 CDs, 10 DVDs, 9 of them being Blu-rays, and only 1 book. We had a shirt that we found, but at the end, right when we were paying, we didn't like it, so we left it. So on to the next store. We are still in North Park. We're going to this thrift store. They just opened this thrift store a few months ago. It used to be another thrift store, I guess. They bought it out. The other one was no good, so hopefully they upgraded and we can find good stuff. Father Joe's thrift store. Our last thrift store of the day. It's around 7 o'clock at night. We haven't eaten anything today. Woke up late. Woke up early, arranged some stuff with some of our help to pick up some Gaylords. So the warehouse has been taken care of. They're working down there, but we're out here sourcing. Last stop, Goodwill in City Heights. So back in the day when we were doing eBay, we created routes. So we made a southern route, a western route, a northern route, a eastern route, and a like mid-city route. So that was North Park and City Heights. So right now we're in the Goodwill of City Heights. this hasn't treated us very well in the past at all. We'll find out. We decided to leave the warehouse. We already have someone down there scanning, conditioning. So we decided to bring our family over to Goodwill. What better way to spend family time than coming to a thrift store and finding some goodies? So we're entering a Goodwill bookstore and we'll see what we find. Which bookseller doesn't want to come back here? So we're actually driving to the next Goodwill. We were just done with the bookstore, the Goodwill bookstore down here in Claremore Mesa. You know what? Some tips that you guys should take. You should look for specific sections. So what we're looking for is business section, religious section, traveling section, education section. We try to stay away from kids books. We try to stay away from cookbooks. We try to stay away from nonfiction, fiction. We try to stay away from not fiction. So those are the sections that we hit, and I just say scan everything in that section, because you don't know what you're gonna find. So we're gonna be driving to Goodwill right now, and we're very specific of what we're looking for. When we're scanning CDs and DVDs, we want a $5 profit, and we try to stay under 300,000 rank. And for books, we try to get around also $5, and that it just depends whether the MF price is good. Then we determine whether we're going to get the book or not. In the store, we obviously look for condition. We make sure that the book is at least in good condition and that CD is not that scratched. We do have an EcoPro to fix it, EcoPro 2 to fix it. But if we see that it's really scratched, we leave it there. So yeah, we spent $52 in the last thrift store. Now for clothing, we try to get at least $10 profit, because with eBay, you definitely have to do more work. You have to take pictures, you have to take measurements, you have to do the actual listing for every item. So we think that $10 profit when we're going to a thrift store and finding clothes, I think that's the sweet spot, and that's where we try to stay. No filters here. We actually had planned to go to the warehouse to open the door up for the guy that was coming to get some CD and DVD Gaylord. Well, that didn't happen. My uncle actually forgot to give me back the key for the warehouse. So we got there, we had no key. The guy was waiting for a while, so I said, just to compensate for his time, we're actually going to give the Gaylord back. We're going to give the Gaylord to him for free, so he's not going to be paying the $50 for it just because of our mistake. But we said the day's early, so we are here at another Goodwill. This Goodwill is the one in Lemon Grove here in San Diego. So let's see what we find. You can't make this up, guys. I saw some DVDs and CDs in here that were locked up. The guy was in a hurry, so I said, "Oh, I'll help you out." I forgot my phone in the case. You can't make this thing up. So the end of the video is finally here. If you guys have found this video informative or helpful, just make sure to thumbs up this video. Make sure to subscribe. I'm just gonna recap what I found these 2 days. As you guys can tell right now, we are in my warehouse. You see a whole bunch of Gaylords in the back. These are conditioned books, but in this video, we are not gonna be talking about my warehouse or the conditioning process. We're gonna be talking about those 2 days that we went. So we got 72 media items. Those include CDs, DVDs, books, and around 7 shirts. So I'm not gonna recap all of the 72 media items that I got. I'm just gonna recap a few that I thought were really good. So the first one is this one here, Ninja Scroll, the series. And this one, if you guys can see right here, it is 95,000 rank with a profit of $39.30. So that was a good one automatically. This one here is The Expanse. This one's 24,000 with $44 profit. And who would have thought that honestly DVDs can get you so much money? I know a lot of people right now are probably not allowed to sell DVDs and CDs on Amazon, and that's okay. I did start at one point being restricted, and eventually with good matrix, with selling a whole bunch of items, Amazon did allow me to sell CDs and DVDs. Next up, this one here, the ER, everyone has seen the show. This one's 38,000 with $24.20 profit. So I'm basically gonna show you anything that is $20, $25 and up. This one here, Jaded. This one's 65,000 rank with $33.60. This one's 118,000 average rank with a potential profit of $16.60. As well, $16.16. This one here, $17.80. And last of the DVDs, this one here. Now, skipping 2 CDs, I only have 2 to share with you guys. So right here, we have a 29,000 rank with $17.50 profit. Right here, we have a higher end CD. It is 298,000 rank with $15.80 profit. Now, to the good stuff, what we do best, books. This one here is 59.6 thousand rank with $17.10. This one here is on the higher end. This one is 2.1 million ranked. And you guys are probably gonna say like, why did you get such a book that's so high ranked? Well, the Merchant Fulfilled has a very, very competitive price. It's around the same. So if I did sell this one on FBA, it would yield me around $29 profit. But because I am reading the data, this one will probably go MF. This one here is 882,000 ranked with $11.30 profit. This one here is 46.8 thousand ranked with $13.10. One of the best books, and I'm telling you, one of the sections that I told you guys to check always, traveling section. So this one here is 683,000 with $40.90 profit. Last but not least, it's a miniature one compared to the last one, 459,000 ranked with $12.40 profit. And that's it for books. That's it for Amazon. Now let's jump into eBay. 2 shirts that I am going to show you. I got 7 shirts in total. One shirt that I'm going to show you right here is a Robert Graham. Never seen this style before. The tag said $650, but it was 50% off, so we got it for $325. The reasons why I got it, obviously Robert Graham sells well, and there's also a horse pattern, so that's why I got this one. It's probably going to go for around $20 to $30 on eBay. And last but not least, I tend to not get this one a lot, but it is Brooks Brothers, and the reason why I got it, it is an XL, so it's higher, or it's a bigger size. Also, you don't see a lot of logos of Brooks Brothers, so this one is extra large. It does have a logo. It has a nice pattern, nice colors, nice and bright colors. So that's the reason why I got it. It's probably gonna go for 25 to 30 on eBay. And overall, just the 16 media items that I showed you guys on Amazon, I invested $212 with 39 cents. And after Amazon fees, just these 16 items are gonna give me $362. There's already $140 profit in just these 16 items, not counting all of these right here. So, and these shirts. So, it was a good 2 days. We're probably gonna do it more often. So if you like these kind of videos, I know I tend to do more of a warehouse. If you guys follow my Instagram, Latin Pickers, I tend to show you guys behind the scenes of a bulk book business. But if you guys like this kind of videos, make sure to like, make sure to comment. We always respond to our comments, either on Instagram or on YouTube. And hope to see you on the next video.